Are you feeling exhausted by traveling into public transport during rush office hours? Book your ride from Texas Yellow Cab and AMP. Check a taxi service. It is a leading taxi service provider in Cleburne, TX, famous for offering 24/7 door-to-door transportation. Their fleet of vehicles are fully air-conditioned, clean and sanitized after every ride. They have a team of trained, experienced, polite drivers who always ensure that their passengers will avail a safe and comfortable journey. Even they always try the best possible shortcut routes so that you can easily reach your destination in time. And the best part is that their taxi service is available at a reasonable fare. Their taxi booking process is very simple. You can call, email or book the taxi online, like dial 817-881-6861. Send an email at contact@bigtexascabs.com or browse through https://bigtexascabs.com/